guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn. If you guys hear anything in the background, it is the AC and my boyfriend is also playing video games. So anyways, today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my Lip Monthly. I just got it like 2 days ago, but I barely had a chance to open it today, so let's open it up and see what we got this month. This is what the bag looks like. It is purple with lipsticks and it says Lip Monthly. It's super cute. Same thing on the other side. So it comes with a card, and this time it doesn't have the prices, but it says welcome to the world of makeup, June 2019 Lip Monthly.
And in the back it says welcome to the June 2019 bag. This month we've created a bag of new lippies that will keep you blooming as we transition into the summer season.
So yeah, that's what it says in the back. So the first thing that I see here is a lip balm, and it feels like wood. It's pretty cool. It is from the brand Portland Bee Balm, supporting urban bees and their keepers. So this is what the lip balm looks like. It's super cute. And this brown thing, it's like wood or something. I wonder if I open it, if it's gonna break. There you go. It didn't break. Cool. I think that's what it smells like, coconut oil and olive oil. But yeah, it's not that bad, and it feels good on the lips. I have lip liner in my lips right now, and I already stained my lip balm. Oh well. So it feels good on my lips. I really like this. I'm really happy that I got this lip balm. Okay, the second thing that I see here is another product from Bella Pure Cosmetics. I believe we got something from Bella Pure last month or 2 months ago, and this time we got the clear lip gloss. This is what the packaging looks like. Let's open it up. Okay, so this one is just a clear lip gloss. This is what it looks like. I haven't used the clear lip gloss in a long time, so I'm excited to try this. And I believe the last Bella Pure product that I received was super sticky on my lips, so I want to see if this one is going to be the same. I will be swatching it right now. Okay, so this is what the wand looks like. And as you can see, it's just clear. The lip gloss doesn't have a smell, but I'm going to apply it now. I removed my lip liner, by the way. So this is what the lip gloss looks like. It actually doesn't feel sticky. It just feels like a really hydrating lip balm. It kind of feels like Carmex. So far I'm really happy with this. Okay, the next product that I see here is a lip liner, a peel gel liner, and the shade Desert Taupe. This is what it looks like. I don't think I have a gel lip liner, so let's open it up. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It doesn't have a smell. I'm going to be swatching it. Oh, it feels really creamy. It looks really brown. I don't know, I've never used a brown lip liner. I guess I'll try it out today. I already took off the gloss, so I'm going to try this on my lips. Is this even for the lips? I don't know, for some reason I feel like this is not for the lips. Let me Google it. Okay, I couldn't find out if this gel liner is for the lips or the eyes, and it doesn't say anywhere on the liner, and I couldn't find anything on the website. It just has the price of this, and this is $21. I'm just going to be putting it on my lips. I asked someone on Instagram, and they said it's for the lips. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I don't know. I'm not really convinced. I'm not a big fan of this color. But anyways, now on to the next product. The next product is a lipstick, and it is from the brand Lip Monthly. So this is what the little box looks like. And I got the shade 04, so it doesn't have an actual color. So let's open it up. Okay, so the packaging is pretty cool. This is what it looks like. And it has orange down here. So this looks like it's gonna be a pretty bright summer shade. Okay, so here it is. looks like, I don't know, I'm not sure if this is orange or pink. Let me swatch it on my hand. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to be swatching it on my lips. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It doesn't really look as bright as the swatch, as you guys can see, but I do like it. I could probably use this shade every day, so I'm really happy with this color. It doesn't feel sticky. It doesn't feel dry on my lips either. I'm really happy that I got this lipstick. So that is everything that I received in my bag this month. Let me know in the comments below if you guys also received the Lip Monthly and if you guys received the same things as me, or what else did you receive. So yeah, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.